Hey YouTube, I'm going to make a video here for anyone who has a Chevy Vortec that is an 8-cylinder that has a distributor cap that looks like this. I have a 350 or a 5.7 liter. I was getting random misfires. Look at that right there, okay? That is completely worn through, this in the middle, this piece here. And this is what it did to the rotor. So you can see how it's just worn through. I mean, it's gone, right? It was still running, but I just got little random misfires once in a while. You can see it's, the tip is fine. This was an aluminum one. It's kind of corroded here on the parts there. This is what it should look like, right? A brand new one. And I have a bit of a rare item here. I'm going to put this on. You can see that's supposed to be a ball in the middle, right? And this other one, it was just completely gone. So I'll put this on and I'll take a video too so you can see the sparks going.